Welcome back to DoorKing Tech Tips. Today we will be looking at how to change your service type and phone number in the DKS Cloud. This feature would be used for going from an IM server account to a cellular, or if your cellular phone number has changed. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure you are logged in as the owner of the account you will be converting. To check this, find the account in your entry system list. Then on the right under the owner header, make sure this ID matches who you logged in as in the top right. Now that you have verified you are logged in as the owner, let's go ahead and make sure that the new system is registered and the owner has permissions to that system. Click on IM server/DK Cellular registration in the top center. You should now be logged into your account. Click on Entry Systems in the top center. If able, keeping the new system with the original user ID is best. However, if converting from an IM server account to a DKS Cellular, you will need to create a cellular profile. If you are not sure how to create the new profile, please see our video at dorking.com/tech-tip-videos. How do I complete the cellular registration, or how do I complete the IM server registration? Here we will be adding a new system to the original owner, since this will be the most common when updating cellular units that have a new SIM card, which requires the new system to get a new phone number, or an IM server to a DKS data over IP, which is what we are showing here. With the service type, new phone number, and master code entered, go ahead and click Add. You should now see the new system above. Let's go ahead and turn on the DKS Cloud for this system by clicking on the system, then checking the box to activate the DKS Cloud. You should see a pop-up warning you about the desktop software will no longer work. Click Close at the bottom of the page. Then be sure to click Update. You should now see your system say Active under the Cloud header. To finish adding the new system, you will need to go to the billing. Once on the billing page, click on the Checkout Now button. There will be a pop-up to add your credit card. Since this is a demo, I will not be adding information here. You will see that the checkout is now complete. Go ahead and click OK. Now to return to your DKS Cloud account, click Access DKS Cloud on the left. Go ahead and log back into your DKS Cloud account. You should now see the old and new system under your Entry Systems page. Now to change the phone number and master code for the data on the old account to the new account, go to Action in the top menu bar and click on Change System Phone/Master Code. Here you will be asked to enter the old existing system phone number and master code, then the new phone number and master code, along with your login information for where the new system is registered. Then click Submit Change. Congratulations, your data has now been moved to your new phone number and master code. Now you need to remove the old system from your online profile to prevent additional billing. Click the registration site button below to do this now. You will probably see this page. Click on the profile page link. Now back on your profile page, go to Entry Systems tab in the top center. Now on the Entry Systems page, go ahead and click on your old account. Then on the pop-up window, select Remove this entry system. Congratulations, you have successfully moved your data from one phone number to another. All that's left now is for you to start using your new system, and we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.